y'all? Shaxitron back with another video, and this time we have the final aerial bot for Cyprian. Finally, well, if you don't count freaking Alpha Bravo, this is the third, it's the second to last one, but right now, it's the final one. So, here he is in the new Combiner Wars packaging. Sadly, it doesn't come with a card anymore, which kind of is upsetting, but it comes with the comic. But the comic's in the back. No card, like I said, but pretty much same packaging minus the comic. Here's the side. It says it's number 1 of 5 to form Cyprian. Here's Cyprian art on the back. And then Alpha Bravo, Firefly, Silver Bolts, Air Raid, and Skydive all form Cyprian. There is his robot mode, his jet mode, which I think is a Tomcat. And then there's a long bio for Air Raid, the freaking Combiner Wars Wave 1. They have like a sentence for their bio. It's pretty bad, but at least they improved on that. But pretty much same packaging, but it's pretty sweet. Pretty cool that we got a comic, but I think I would prefer the card. But anyways, let's get this guy out of the package and get this transformation review going. Here we have Air Raid out of his packaging, and he is pretty damn awesome. Nice modern representation of Air Raid. I do enjoy it. I just wish the actual body part or the actual robot wasn't so similar to the other aerial bots, but I know to save money and stuff they did that. But there he is. We'll look at him in a second. Look at his accessories. Comes with this double blaster gun, which is pretty cool. Some nice detailing on it. And then he comes with the foot or hand, whatever you choose to make it a foot. That's just that. And then you put the combiner figure on like that. And if you want to make it a hand, basically you flip the fingers out, fold that up like that, and then you have the right hand. And if you want to make it a left hand, then you flip this like that. There you go. There's a left hand. That's pretty cool. Put that off to the side. Here's the card. It's different from a Wave 1. The Wave 1 had actual art on the back, but this one, the art is on the comic. And there's the comic. Shows the figure on the back. More of a bigger bio. You guys can pause and read. My camera will freaking focus, but you guys can read. Cue the Star Wars music. There you go. And then here's this. And then the same packaging art, his robot mode and his vehicle mode. That's pretty cool. But getting on to the figure. Pretty much the exact same articulation that all the Jet figures have. At the knee, swiveling at the lower hip, and then the ball joints. Same thing on the other side. And then hip swivel, like so. Head, 360 degrees. Ball joints on the shoulder, 360 degrees. And then a ratchet joint on the elbow. And just to show you real quick, he can hold his double-barreled blaster in one hand and his foot gun thing in the other, which is pretty cool. Not a bad figure. If you guys can't afford the super expensive third-party Transformers and want a nice combiner that's actually official, then I suggest getting this guy. He's pretty awesome. But for transformation, basically it's the same thing as all the other Aerobots, just the freaking jet that's attached to the robot is pretty much different from the rest. I believe he is a Tomcat, but we will see once I freaking combine him. I mean, not combine him, but transform him. But basically what you want to do, to transform him, and there goes my arch nemesis, the goddamn fucking cuckoo clock. I'm gonna break that damn thing. Oh, and good thing it's 1 o'clock, just like the freaking other night I did the videos. That's this bullcrap. But anyways, spin his head like so to hide it, and then bring his canopy down like so. Come to the back here to his legs, move his wings out of the way. Basically open these up, and his legs collapse in on themselves like so. And then come on, get in there. There you go. And close that. Same thing on the other side. Collapse in like so. Come on. Cooperate. There you go. Close it up. Peg these together like so. Okay, take his arms here and bring them down and peg them right there. Bring his wings back. Fold these tail sections down like so. His freaking arm didn't get connected that well. There you go. Same thing on the other side. Bring it down like that, and then it connects like that. But here we have Air Raid in his jet mode. Very, very nice. He's all black except for some silver, red, and gold. Well, that looks like goldenrod, but it's pretty sweet. And then the Autobot logos on the wings. And I was right, he is a Tomcat, where the wings swoop out for, I think this is like soaring mode, and then for hypersonic mode or whatever, or subsonic, then the wings collapse like that to make it more aerodynamic. But anyways, very, very awesome jet mode. Despite the fact of having the robot kibble on the back, but with all jets, it's really hard to blend in the robots into the jets. But it's pretty sweet figure. I wish there was more detailing and more paint, but what can you do? Especially it being friggin' $16, but the price point and a lot of money went into designing the figures to combine and give us fans something that we really wanted. But These are rubber, by the way. But to turn him into limb mode, basically bring these like this. You can fold these wings up like so. Or actually get it out of the way first, and then open this. Turn his head around. You gotta open up this down here. Spin it around. Then you can close it. Then bring this down like so. Peg it in. And then you can bring these wings in like so. And this is for foot mode. So you take the foot here, peg it on the bottom, and then there we have a foot, or a leg I mean. Some nice articulation, but we'll get to that for Superion. But to make him a arm, basically take these arms, get him up out of the way, like so. Open this up, extend his legs out, and then close these up. Make sure they're pegged together. Come on, work with me here. There you go. You can spin this around. Actually, no, it's going to be this way for his arm. Then you can peg these right here. Spin them around like so. And peg it like that. If you're sticking with me in the middle of the video right now, or with me right now actually, I appreciate it. I sure wouldn't have stuck around, but there's that. I'm going to take his hand here, like so. And then plop it in the little hole right here. Actually, spin that around like that. There you go. And there is a arm mode for Superion. Now, if you've seen like pictures of him, he's actually going to be like this tall. That's freaking awesome. And him being only around 110, 120. Depends on where you bought him. It's not that bad of a price, especially for a combiner when you're paying like $500 or so for a third party. That's kind of crazy. But he can also store his weapon here on his shoulder here, like that. You can wield it like so, but we will save that for the Superion video. But awesome figure, awesome aerobots, awesome jet mode. What can I say? I'm really digging the freaking Combiner Wars figures. Excuse me. I hope they make freaking Abominus and all the other Combiner Wars. Combiner figures. Hopefully. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.